Hi everybody. In this short video, I quickly want to show you how to add an image to a question. So in PsyToolkit, when you run a survey with two questions like age and some sort of like an embedded experiment that you have, you can run it like this. And if you do that, as you compile and you run it, for example, like that, it will say, what is your age? But sometimes you might want to add an image to this. So how do you do that? So normally, if you don't have an image and you say, for example, you're 30, and then it goes on to the next question, in this case, an experiment. But how do we do that? Well, there are two ways of doing it. The first thing that you need to do is you need to click here on Browse where it says Upload Files. So you need to upload an image. I have actually on my local laptop, I have a file here, happy, that I want to upload. So so I've done that, I save, and then I can look at my files. And if I look at my files now, I see I have uploaded an image called happy.jpg. So it's a JPEG image. Now, this is the image. You can sort of like copy this, but you don't need to do that. You can, but you can also just remember it, of course. If you go back to your survey and you type here I for image, I space, and then the file name of the image. This way, if you save that and you compile it, uh, then it would look like this. What's your age? Okay. Now, close this tab here. So, okay, that's one way of adding it to age. I'll show you another way now. First, let me save it. If you're in the easy mode, yeah, easy mode, you see your questions, you click on age, yeah, you go on options, and you need to okay, general show images above or below question. Uh, you can add this, but you don't need that for now. So just select image, happy.jpg, you save your question, go to regular overview, and actually you see now also it has just added that to the code for you, so it's a little bit easier. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave them below the video, and please like and subscribe this video because that really helps people to find these short tutorial videos.